In this nice occasion, I am Retno Sivirandari as the representative of SMA Negeri Bali Mandara would like to present my scientific paper entitled New Innovation of Organic Waste Utilization to be Biodegradable Briquette toward SMA Negeri Bali Mandara Green, Share, Care, Clean and Healthy. As we know, ladies and gentlemen, that Indonesia is a rich country with their natural resources such as fuel, crude oil, natural gases, and many other mine things. The utilization of the natural resources make Indonesia able to fulfill their society needs in the term of energy. But don't you know, ladies and gentlemen, that those energy resources is not renewable. This condition puts us to buy a new renewable resources. And to find the new renewable resources, we should work based on energy farming, which is create, make, and cultivate the energy itself. Among many energy resources that are available in Indonesia, biomass is the one that should get priority because Indonesia is an agrarian country that produces a lot of biomass. A lot of biomass also available in SMA Negeri Bali Mandara, which has area of approximately 10 hectares. About 4 ton biomass is produced in the school in a month, and also 2 until 3 kilogram waste chana waste or Hinduism ceremonial waste is produced in the school per day. Those ceremonial waste or those organic waste doesn't have any economical value, but they have potential to be an energy resources. So that based on this case, I would like to make a new renewable resources by that biomass named briquette. This briquette making also due to the motto of SMA Negeri Bali Mandara that green, share, care, clean and healthy. The aim of this research is first to analyze the influence of the briquette toward the mass of the briquette, and the second one is to analyze the power that the briquette results compared with the power of the common charcoal. In this research, we did it with experimental type, which we divide into 2 phases. The first phase is the making phase, and the second one is the analysis phase. Where the making phase, we start with collecting all the waste in SMA Negeri Bali Mandara, then we burn them until they result in charcoal, and the charcoal we mix with the tapioca glue. And then the briquette, we make some variations in the making process of the briquette, which is the first briquette contained with 100% wood waste, the second briquette contained with 70% wood waste and 30% chana waste, and the last briquette, the third briquette, contains from 60% wood waste, 20% chana waste, and 20% leaf waste. After the making phase, we go to the analysis phase, where the analysis we did it into 2 aspects. The first is the influence of raw material toward the mass of the briquette, and the second one is the power of the briquette compared with the power that the common charcoal gives. And then after we get the data and the result, we describe it with qualitative description. And here, ladies and gentlemen, the data and the result that we get. The first graph shows us the mass of the briquette, which is the briquette 1 has the greatest value of mass, followed by the briquette 2, and the last is the briquette 3. And we also compare them in the term of efficiency of mass. And the difference of the mass is caused by the different material of the raw material of the briquette, which is the third briquette, which contains chana and leaf, mostly turn into ash when the burn process. And here is the analysis process for the power of each fuel, where I use the difference in time taken to boil some water for each fuel. And the difference in time can be used to calculate the power of each fuel, where we can see that the third briquette, which is give the greatest value of power, has the smallest value of mass after the application of after using the briquette. And ladies and gentlemen, we can see see that the briquette gives more or greater value rather than the common charcoal. And among the three briquettes, we can see that the third briquette gives the greatest value of power. This is because the mix of the raw materials that the third briquette has, which is wood waste and then chana waste and also leaf waste. And the conclusion of this research, ladies and gentlemen, the first, briquette 1 has the highest mass because in the briquette 2 and 3, which contain leaves and chana, mostly turn into ash when the burn process. And the second one, the power that briquette gives rather than the power compared with the power that the common charcoal gives is greater than the power of the common charcoal. And the power of the briquette can give a lot of good things toward SMA Negeri Bali Mandara, especially to make the great motto come true. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's all about my presentation.